Hey there, future achievers. Welcome to the crew. I'm Sandesh, your go to guide for all things productivity, mindfulness, and personal finance. If you're ready to take charge of your life, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Today, we are tackling a big one, the ultimate financial plan for every college kid. Whether you're a fresh faced freshman or a seasoned senior, this foolproof plan will take you from what a budget to look at me. I've got savings and investments. So let's dive in. Phase number one, freshman year, building awareness. The key focus here, understanding the basics of money and setting the foundation. Think of your first year in college as the intro to adulting. The first step, know where your money goes. Start tracking expenses. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending. Even a simple Google Sheet would work. A study by College Pulse found that the average college student in the US spends around $500 to $700 per month on food, travel, and entertainment. If you're not careful, that can balloon fast. Create a starter budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, which are rent, food, and textbooks. 30% goes to wants, weekend trips, eating out, and 20%, which is very important, into savings. Yes, you read that right. Start now. Even $20 a month adds up to $960 in 4 years. And the next one, build an emergency fund. Life's unpredictable, right? Set aside $50 to $100 as your emergency stash. Think of it as you're broke but need coffee, but use it only for real emergencies. Phase 2, sophomore year, which is all about exploring opportunities. The key focus here, start earning and learn about investments. By now, you're settled into college life. It's time to level up. Start a side hustle. Whether it is tutoring, freelancing, or even flipping sneakers, earn some extra cash while building skills. For example, Sarah, a second year student, made $2,500 last year designing logos for small businesses. Now she's got a solid portfolio and internship offers. Open a savings account with higher interest. Look for banks or apps offering a better interest on savings account. These aren't huge numbers, but it's free money just for parking your cash smartly. Learn about investments. This is very important. Heard of index funds? They are great for beginners. Start small with SIPs, which is systematic investment plan, or fractional shares. Even $10 in a month for a fund with 8% annual returns can grow to over $620 in 5 years. Quick tip, use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or even Betterment to start investing. Phase 3, junior year. It's all about building assets. Key focus here, think long term and build wealth. This is the year to get serious. You got some experience handling money and it's time to make it work for you. Start a certificate of deposit, CD. Got a stipend or a freelance income? Look in some of it with CDs for guaranteed returns. Invest in ETFs or index funds. If you haven't already, start investing in ETFs like the S&P 500. They low risk and track the market's performance. Fun fact, if you invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 in 2010, it would be worth around $4,000 today. Explore digital assets. No, not crypto. Think ebooks, online courses, or even YouTube content. If you're good at something, create resources people will pay for. Phase 4, senior year, preparing for the real world. Key focus, transitioning smoothly into post-college life. This is a crunch time. You're about to graduate and it's time to tie up loose ends. Pay off your debts. If you've taken student loan or borrowed money, start clearing it out, make a plan to pay off in chunks. Quick stat to focus, around 55% of US college students graduate with debt. Paying it off early saves you thousands in interest. Boost your emergency fund. Increase your emergency stash to cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your safety net while job hunting or starting a new gig. Build a professional network. Use LinkedIn actively. Connect with alumni, attend webinars, and showcase your achievements. This isn't financial advice per se, but it leads to better job opportunities, and we all know that it's the ultimate financial move. Set financial goals. Write down what you want to achieve in 1, 3, and 5 years. Maybe it's buying a car, traveling, or even saving for a grad school. With clear goals, you'll spend smarter. Now, here are some bonus tips for all years. Avoid unnecessary credit card debt. A survey found that 36% of US students use credit cards but don't fully understand how interest works. If you're using one, pay the full amount each month to avoid debt traps. Don't fall for peer pressure spending. Your friends may splurge on designer clothes or even the latest gadgets, but you don't have to. Remember, broke now, boss later. Take advantage of student discounts. Apps like Unidays offer student deals on software, food, and entertainment. Save wherever you can, it all adds up. And that's the ultimate financial plan for every college kid from freshman year to the final year. So let's recap here. Freshman year, build awareness and start budgeting. Sophomore year, hustle and learn the ropes of investing. Junior year, grow your money and assets. Now finally, senior year, prep for the real world with smart financial moves. So what phase are you in right now? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your college crew. By the way, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on productivity, mindfulness, and personal finance. Until next time, future achievers, stay curious, stay focused, and keep hustling. Remember, college just isn't about grades. It's also about where you lay the foundation for a financially secure future. So start now and your future self will thank you.